Welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing how to set up your Metamask wallet on your computer in Chrome browser so you can use it for VERITAS Vault or VVA token. So first you will actually open a search engine in Chrome and type in Chrome Extension Store, which here you will then click on Extensions, which will actually bring you to Chrome Web Store, where you will type in Metamask and make sure that you download the one where it has the seal right here. That is real, reliable, and it says metamask.io. So what are we going to do? We're going to click on it, and we're going to add it to Chrome. And we're going to agree, allowing it to be added to Chrome. After it completes, we will have that here in our extension, where then we'll pin it to our page. Still have a little to go. So as we can see, Metamask has been installed, and what we're going to do is we're just going to click on pin, and that will add to the bar here on the top. So now after Metamask has been installed, you're going to click on it, and you're going to create a login for the Metamask. For some users, it might pop up a little bit different, but no matter what it is, we're going to create a new wallet, or if you already have a wallet, you can import the wallet and follow the instructions. So we're going to create a new wallet. We're going to use a secret recovery phrase. For one thing, for your security, don't use none of these. Continue with Google, continue with Apple, because those are not safe. So we're going to create a password. I agree. Secure your wallet. You want to proceed with the get started and create your recovery phrases. We're not going to go through this process. You can get that done. Do that on your own. Skip account security if you lose the security recovery. I understand, because I'm not doing the security because this is just a wallet that I'm creating for you guys. This wallet will be deleted afterwards. So I'm just going to skip this process. But you do want to make sure that you do get your phrase recorded right off the bat. So I agree, manage the default settings, done, and then download it. So pretty much you can download the app on your phone. I'm not so fond of MetaMask because everything happens under one wallet, where if you do a trust wallet, you get multiple wallets separate. So continue. So installation is complete. Perfect. And my new wallet address is A28. So you want to actually remember your last 2 or 3 digits, because that will be your account. Now, we have it right now. We're actually in this form. We can connect mainnet, this switch network, try again. We're going to switch to BNB Smart Chain. Want to add this network, approve. And usually work out of the wallet, but you guys can work it this way. I've never done this before, so got it. So after we created a wallet, I never use account 1 for nothing. I always create a new account, and the reason why I create a new account is because you want to protect your assets. And in order for you to protect your assets, you need to have a dedicated wallet for each project, because even though you can disconnect your contracts and etc., but still, when you have a dedicated wallet for your project, that means if you have assets in another wallet, those assets will not be touched, only the wallet that's actually in that project. And you know, we go through many different projects, and we sign these contracts, and we do not know what's actually in those contracts most of the time. So we have no even clue which project actually has access to full amounts of our wallets and actually can empty our wallets. That's why I prefer holding only that amount that pertain to your project in that wallet, and nothing more, and then we'll hold rest of the assets in another wallet, or actually even hard wallet to begin with. So we have this account, but I want to add account or wallet, and I'm going to create a new Ethereum account, and we're going to give this account a name, VVA and name. So your name, John, Peter, Sarah, and on and on. This way, actually, you know whose wallet it is, because down the road, you might have people say, hey, I'm not ready to sign up yet, but I'm going to send you $200, open an account for me, and then later we'll do a transfer or something. In a MetaMask, you want to make sure that you're able to transfer that wallet. Where in the Trust wallet, that allows that automatically creates you a new wallet. In MetaMask, I haven't played enough, but somebody asked me to create this video, so I'm creating this video. And this is where I'm telling you some issues might run in, where it's under one wallet, you might have multiple addresses, and when it comes down to transfer that to that person, you might run into issue where by transferring, you're also giving access them to your wallet and your account, and that might create an issue. So, but the process is very similar to Trust Wallet, and I also have a website where we have step-by-step instructions for that. So we're going to add account. So right now we have an account, one account which says my main account, then we have a VVA account, and I'm the Solana one. What I do is I hide that so it's not even there, and I don't able to see it. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can view and explore account details. We have a name. So it's under wallet 1, which that wallet 1 controls both account 1 and a VVA. So unless you're able to separate this, you're pretty much locked into one account. And that's why you're not able to do more than one account in MetaMask, where you can actually then send it off to another person, give them access just to their wallet. You're pretty much combined. So opening wallets for other people in MetaMask, not realistic, looks like. Enable smart contract account. You can enable smart contract features to support network. Okay. So yeah, that's the issue with, unless we're able to account details, you want to explore, add permission, network. Yeah, it's all one account, unfortunately. Okay, so after we done that, right now we need to add some tokens. So we'll do a couple different things. First, we'll actually, we already have BNB, which is good. We're going to go and then import token, and we're going to first import DAI, D-A-I. And you're going to scroll, make sure that there's only one DAI. That's because you want to make sure that the one you're getting is correct. So we have right here DAI, and that's PAP2. Sometimes they have different names. I guess people go in and change the names, and we end up having to deal with that. So hit next, and then we're going to import it into your wallet. Then we're going to have to also go and import 2 more tokens. And this is where actually my website comes in. If you go to slavicd.com/VVA, and you go to the menu, and VERITAS VAULT, and then sign up instructions and wallet instructions. That's section 1. Right now, wallet setup is part 2, and that's going to take you to part 2. We're going to scroll all the way down to 215. In 215, we have this address. That's for our VVA, as we can see right here. We're going to copy that, go back to MetaMask. We're going to import it, and we're going to select token, custom tokens, select networks. Binance Smart Chain, and we're going to paste it. When we paste it, we should see VVA and token symbol, and then pretty much you guys can see what else. Then you're going to hit next, and you're going to import that. Very important that you, when you copy and you import it, you get the correct information. Now we're going to section 218 and copying the SVVA or stake VERITAS VAULT token. Copy that, going back to MetaMask, clicking again on import token, select token, custom token. Binance Smart Chain, paste the address, and we right now see SVVA. So if we verify that those are the right tokens, we hit the next, and we import it. Now we have our wallet set up, but there's one more thing that we need in this wallet, is how you're going to import your money. And this part is, based on where you bring your money from, you will need to customize your wallet for that platform. I don't not really excited about MetaMask. There's been a lot of issues for me, particularly swapping tokens from tokens to tokens. So you want to actually talk to your sponsor or get help in the group, and we'll pop in and get you on a Zoom and help you bring your tokens in. But as soon as you bring your tokens in, you need a minimum of at least $1 to 2 BNB. Then pretty much rest of the amount you're going to bring in DAI token. So pretty much $2 worth in BNB, and then rest in token. You want to have minimum of $107 in order to be active in VVA staking. So that's why I say minimum 107 in DAI, minimum of dollar in BNB. After we brought that money in, now we're going to go and get a referral link from your sponsors. You're going to go copy referral link from your sponsor, and this is where actually we're going to at that point go to. And I'm going to actually copy my link, and we're going to go to copy link, and we're going to open a browser and type in that address. Make sure that end right there has your sponsor's wallet address, because the referral link is based on the project website. Then pretty much the dashboard, that's where it's going to open your page. And then a referral and your sponsor's wallet address. So after you do that, you're going to be at the wallet, and the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to see under welcome and verify that it is your sponsor's wallet address. So make sure that not just you got the link, but also you got the last 3 digits from your sponsor, their wallet address, so you can confirm that. After you confirm, you're going to go to buy VVA. You're going to hit maximum because you're going to convert all of your DAI to VVA. So when you hit maximum, it's going to be this amount will be brought in. Then you go and you're going to see how much you're going to receive in VVA. That amount will also include the 5% fee that the project will charge you to swap. So then you're going to hit swap tokens. Your Metamask wallet going to oh, that's right. First we're going to hit connect. So after we verify, and I do apologize. After we verify, we're going to hit connect. And we're going to select Metamask. And that should launch our Metamask wallet here. It has access to, okay. Sometimes it doesn't. There it is. So we're going to click on it. As you can see, that one show up. Usually it's supposed to open, but I guess it didn't open for us this time. So what are we going to do? We're going to hit connect. And it says, so it's connecting. And it looks like we are connected now. So you're going to see your wallet address, which in Metamask, it says right there C8, and we see C8. That means we connected to our wallet and we still have our sponsor's link. Then we're going to go to buy VVA. We're going to hit maximum and we're going to hit swap. And that will trigger again for you can actually pay fees to get your token swap. After you complete your swap, you're going to go back and you're going to verify one more final time that you do have still your sponsor's link, because right now you guys can see it's no longer in the browser. Sometime by disconnecting and reconnecting, you might get in a situation where right now you have a company's wallet address. To prevent that from happening, some of you might have to put in your sponsor's link again and then restart to make sure that you get your sponsor's link here. So in our situation, what you would do, you would actually hit paste your sponsor link again, hit enter. It will reopen. Make sure that we're still connected, that the sponsor address is showing. And after you confirmed everything, then we would go to stake. And in stake section, oh, as you guys can see, what just happened? We just got disconnected. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit again, make sure that we have sponsor's wallet address here. Then we're going to hit connect to make sure that we're still connected. And see, some of these arrows that still need to be worked on can lead to where people getting signed up in the wrong place. So after we're connected, we see sponsor's address. Then we go to stake. In stake section, we're going to verify that our wallet is still right. We're going to hit maximum because we want to stake maximum amount that we have in VVA. And after you hit maximum, you're going to hit stake. You're going to pay fees for staking. And that is when your wallet address is supposed to show up in the tree of your sponsor. But what you want to do is you want to click on dashboard one more time and verify that after you staked, your sponsor's address still shows. This is actually final way for you to verify that you got placed under your sponsor, and also sponsor can verify in their tree that they see you with your wallet address. After you have staked, what you're going to do, you're going to come back 24 hours later. You're going to hit again on stake, and you're going to then claim that amount that's in your 24 hours. That's pretty much the amount's going to show up here when you claim it, when you stake it. And then when you hit claim, the amount's going to be transferred to this column right here. Now, after you hit claim and the amount got transferred over to current staked SVVA amount, you're also going to see this amount here and a few other places on the website. You're done. There's nothing else left for you to do until you invite somebody and they go through this process. When they go through this process, what you're going to do, every day you're going to come in, as long as you're making enough in your referral rewards. First, you're going to come in first. Not you're going to go to referral reward. First, you're going to come in, and as long as you have something here under 24 hours, you're going to claim first. And after you claim it, then you're going to go to referral rewards, and you're going to claim your referral rewards. If you claim your first referral rewards first, that means your 24-hour clock has restarted, and you will not be able to claim on those 24 hours has passed. That's why we always first claim the 24 hours, then we go to referral rewards, and then we claim the 24 our referral rewards. Also, if you have added any money within that 24 hours, you added more VVA, you did any kind of where you added more money to your 24 hours. That means through referral rewards, that means by buying more VVA, receiving more, and then actually staking it, your 24 hours have restarted from your last 24-hour transaction. I want you to understand and get that clear. Your 24 hours restarts every single time you do any transaction where the funds ends up in 24 hours. That's why first we claim 24 hours. After 24 hours has passed, then we do transactions so to add more tokens to our next 24 hours hold. Hopefully that makes sense. So it's fairly simple, very easy. Now a few things about the MetaMask and security things that I'm going to recommend. First of all, when you're not in the MetaMask, you want to lock MetaMask. This will log you out, and whenever you're browsing the internet, there's a last chance they'll be able to get access to your MetaMask. That's number one. Number two, do not click nothing inside any wallet that you are not sure that is safe to do so, because that can open you to spammers and scammers who might get access to your wallet. So if you see a token that shouldn't be here, hide it. Oops. By clicking on a token, actually no, not in MetaMask. I guess I have to play with right there. So you would actually click on a token, you would actually select, go to click on menu and hide VVA or hide that token. That's how you deal with these. So instead of deleting, you just hide it and don't worry about it. Don't click on stuff that you shouldn't be clicking, that you're not 100% sure that it's safe to click on, and enjoy your earnings in Veritas and your monthly cash flow. So take care, be blessed, and any questions, definitely send it in a Telegram group or contact me directly through Telegram. Take care, be blessed.